the sound of yesterday. And when, upon the night, I see the day that was not meant to be, and hear again the voice of these my brethren far away, from yesterday call forth an old refrain, wherein my voice is not. For God can be in there and are to be the power we own, or beauty in the sky. For history did travel through our chords, and echoes found. Oh, yesterday, die quietly for aye, and call not hence a tear from ours no more, within the grasp of living. Fade away, e'en from the cells that hold thee, where before the memory inscribed for all the aeons long, the touch of man and angel in a song.